New Zealand's military modernization drive has entered a pivotal phase with the arrival of a cutting-edge tactical vehicle designed in Spain. The prototype of the VAMTAC ST5, a high-performance 4x4 developed by Eurovisa, has landed on Kiwi soil, signaling the launch of an ambitious project to replace the nation's aging fleet of military utility vehicles. Flown in aboard one of the Royal New Zealand Air Force's latest C-130J-30 Hercules aircraft, the ST5 prototype reflects a strategic partnership between the Ministry of Defense and Eurovisa, a Spanish manufacturer renowned for delivering rugged, mission-flexible platforms to global defense forces. The vehicle's delivery underscores the commitment to revolutionize how the New Zealand Defence Force, NZDF, approaches battlefield mobility and digital integration. The VAMTAC ST5 isn't just another troop transport. It's a fully modular, high-mobility platform that can serve as a command post, medevac unit, weapons system carrier, or advanced communications hub. Built for adaptability, it's powered by a 6.7L turbocharged Cummins engine and features a 4x4 drivetrain optimized for extreme terrain. Key capabilities include interaxle locking, differential control, and an in-cab tire pressure system that enables real-time terrain adjustment. This prototype will serve as a testbed for the NZDF's next-generation communications infrastructure. Engineers and technicians from both the New Zealand Army and the Ministry of Defence will utilize the vehicle to prototype, trial, and validate a new digital ecosystem meant to enhance command and control in diverse mission settings. Sarah Minson, Deputy Secretary for Capability Delivery, described the vehicle's arrival as a milestone in defence transformation. This is the first medium ST5 vehicle constructed specifically for New Zealand. It's the foundation of a new operational model where mobility and connectivity converge. Once trials are complete, the prototype will play a key role in training programs and mission rehearsals, preparing NZDF personnel for seamless deployment with the upgraded fleet. In total, the vehicle forms part of a 60-unit acquisition plan covering both light and medium configurations, ultimately replacing the long-serving Unimog and Pinzgau vehicles. These next-gen tactical platforms are being prepared for a spectrum of tasks beyond combat operations, including peacekeeping, disaster response, and emergency search and rescue. Their versatility makes them an ideal fit for New Zealand's unique geography and mission profiles. Eurovisa's tactical systems are already operational in more than 20 countries, including multiple NATO allies. In New Zealand, support and servicing of the vehicles will be handled by EPE New Zealand Limited, ensuring robust local maintenance capabilities as the fleet scales up. This delivery isn't just about acquiring new hardware. It marks a calculated investment in strategic readiness, positioning the NZDF for faster response, improved coordination, and future-proof operational resilience in an increasingly complex security landscape.